Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we have a snack box and I have some little helpers. I have one little helper and I have two little helper. Ari, I can't see you. You have to jump here. Ta-da! It has been like 38 degrees today. It's Tuesday and it has been a hot one. So we all were in the pool today and we all just had showers, which is why our hair's all wet. I'm literally just in a crop top. The kids have just got t-shirts on to hide the fact that it's boiling. So yeah, we're just gonna do snack surprise for you. This is, I think it's July's box. It's been here for about a week, but we've just been so busy we haven't had a chance to do it. Hello, Jackie. So yeah. What's happening there? Honk. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up, and you should definitely subscribe to my channel for sassy pants like Aria and Little Miss Attitude Butt over here, Mika. But let's have a look and see what it is.
What's in there? Hello, open sesame.
So Snack Surprise is a monthly food subscription box. Every month they have a different country. This is sent to me in PR. I have paid for it prior to getting in PR. I did pay for it myself. They have a mini box, a normal box and a premium box. This is the premium box. I'll leave all the links down below. I do have a discount code. I'll also leave that down below for you. But yeah, let's jump in. If there's anything in it that we don't like, that we know we're not going to like, we don't open because we don't want food waste, we will take it to a food bank, which is opposite our house. So what have we got? France today. So Ari, come over here please. Let me just put this.
Legs and snail shells.
No, they eat snails, not snail shells. Okay. Right, you two stay there. So France, you get this little booklet and it tells you some facts about France. And then this is the mini box. Then you get the original box, which is this and this. And then you get the premium box, which is this, this and this. So I'll try and remember as we go through to tell you what things are. So the first thing I've got is some frittelle. Ari, what does that say?
Bacon.
Who loves bacon?
Yay.
So these are bacon crisps. These are the original box. Calling all bacon lovers, these Lay's bacon flavoured chips are the ultimate savoury snack. So we'll let the bacon connoisseur go first. They look like chipsticks.
I'll just try one just in case. It's so good.
They taste like Frazzles.
Oh yeah, they do. That's so good.
You like them, fishy?
I know.
Yeah. So they like them. Oh, you've just got lots. That's thing number one is a hit. That's always good. Next, we've got, what's this?
Cheeseburger.
Whose nickname is Cheeseburger? These are from the premium box. Lay's cheeseburger chips. You read that right. Cheeseburger chips. These are one of our favourites. Perfect combination of Lay's crunchy chips with a delicious cheeseburger flavour. Oh, they smell good.
I want to try a cheeseburger.
No.
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of them. I definitely
First the best, second the worst.
I'm not a fan of them. My other half will love this. Ben will love those. Daddy will like them, won't he? No, they don't taste like a cheeseburger. I think I can get the pickle, like, with the cheeseburger.
Yeah.
I don't know. Ari, stop. So next, I've got some Petit Coeurs chocolate hearts. These are from the premium box. Little heart-shaped, Ari's going back over here for more bacon ones. Little heart-shaped chocolate cookies combine Belgian chocolate and silky smooth filling of crunchy almonds. Oh, these sound delicious.
Can I try one?
Yes, Mika. Oh, they look really nice and light. They are so light. She's eating bacon crisps. You have one of these in a minute, Ari. Those are really good. Nana's just texted me and told me she's stolen your sun cream. Naughty Nana. Right, we've got some koala Lutti Koala. Since 1968, France has loved this mouth-watering marriage of extra soft marshmallows and delicious chocolate-coated coating. This has been in our utility room for a week, which is boiling. So I'm amazed they have not all melted together. They're quite cute. Look, they're a little...
Koala! Is it marshmallow?
Mm-hmm.
Can I have the whole thing of this?
Mm-hmm. Bite. Not a whole one.
These are so good.
Because you have to go to bed soon. They're really good. They'd be nice in the fridge. I don't know what marshmallows do in the fridge though. What does marshmallow do in the fridge? We will put them in the fridge and we will update on the screen as to what marshmallow does within the fridge. I've got a Quadro Pocket. This is also premium box. We know you'll love this Quadro Pocket praline. A delicious praline filling sandwich between crispy wafers. Oh, good job.
Look good.
Oh, this looks messy.
And melty.
And melty. Little bite. Yeah, that's okay. Nothing special. You guys had some big bites on that.
That's good.
Ooh. We've got crispy coated peanuts. I love crispy coated peanuts. These are also in the premium box. Aria Stop. France's favourite nut brand. These salted Tweenuts are perfectly salted and we know you won't be able to put them down. Stop, Ari, you're not having any more. She's just trying to get more of the bacon crisp. Ooh, they look good.
They look like crispies.
So yummy. They're salty, Ari, and crunchy. They're really good. Go put it in the bin. I'm going to hide because she's not putting trousers on. Over the professional.
They're yummy.
Ari loves peanuts. Peanut butter, but she doesn't like peanuts.
I hate peanut butter, but I like peanut.
Yep. Come closer.
Closer.
There you go. Oh, we got a drink.
Yummy.
This is very warm. Genie lemon.
Oh, wow.
I think this will be the original box. It's a soda.
The thing that you just tried. Have you tried anything?
That, the nuts that you didn't like.
Oh. Oh, this tea one.
That tastes like our whites. That's delicious. Be nice if it was cold. I'm not going to bother giving it to you. She doesn't like fizzy things. Ari very much enjoyed that. Alright, what else have we got?
He likes it.
We're not going to have this. We're going to give this to Foxy. This is called a Lulu.
It's like
And this
a Barney
is,
bear.
it looks like a Barney bear, yeah. It is, it's a Barney bear basically, but a French one. We've got a Madeleine. So this is a chocolate Madeleine. This is mini box. Saint Michel brings you these indulgent chocolate coated Madeleines.
Well, they look good.
Yeah, they're very light. But this one has got a lot of chocolate on it.
Can I have a bite?
Yeah. Just a nice light cake. Nothing special, but nice. What are you? Crepe Dentelle. These are premium box. These are crispy batter-free crepes. Crispy batter-free crepes. Ooh. Fancy pants. Alright, there's a lot in there. Oh, there's two in here. No, nice. They don't really taste a lot. They're just crunchy. You like them? Ari! Oh, my new sofa as well.
Ari, I actually had 2 bites.
Make us eat this one.
Yeah.
There's a lot of...
No, just crunchy.
Ah! Yeah.
This tastes like crunch.
Yeah. Did you just put this on my shoulder?
No.
Or did I put it on my own shoulder?
Yeah, you put it on your own shoulder.
Oh, Haribo. These are premium box. These are Haribo Tagada. Tasty fizzy strawberry sweet.
Oh, fizzy. Fizzy. I'm gonna try one.
Then it's not fizzy like a drink. Fizzy sweets are like sour sweets.
Mmm. These are yummy.
Mmm.
Yeah.
Oh, they're really good.
Yeah.
Mm.
They like marshmallow in the middle.
They oh, they taste like something. I can't place it.
I don't really like it that much.
You don't like it?
Oh, what do they taste like?
I'm just going to do that so we can hide her. They taste like something. I really like those. Those are lovely. What have we got next?
Yeah.
We've got a cereal bar. We're not going to open this. That just looks like just a nice cereal bar. We'll give that to Foxy because he'll like that. That is from this is called Le Granny. And that's from the original box.
The only thing what we didn't like so far is the cheeseburger crisps.
We've got these. Oh, these are little. I'm not sure if you like these. We'll try it. It's marmalade cake. Chamonix L'Orange. Made using the same 100-year-old recipe. It's filled with orange marmalade. A perfect sweet cake. These are from the original box. They taste like a Jaffa cake.
Oh, yum.
Tastes like a Jaffa cake.
Paddington. Yummy.
They're good. They taste just like Jaffa cakes, like what Ari's playing at. Oh, we got some Haribo Draggy Bus.
They look like beans.
These are fruit flavoured jelly beans. Here's the mini box.
Jelly beans.
I'm having a blue one.
Or maybe the blue raspberry. Little one. Little one. Avocado, darling. Oh, I don't want to be.
Try it. They're good. Good?
Yep.
Yeah? Nice.
I don't know what flavour it is, but it's good. Maybe it's apple and
We've got more Haribo.
raspberry.
Oh, these ones taste like orange soda. Orangina.
Orangina. What's that?
Orangina is a drink that you have to shake.
So you need to shake it.
It's yummy.
You need to shake the sweet. I am.
Shake the bottle to wake the taste.
Oh.
Oh my god. I haven't had Orangina in so long. That's just like flooded my memories of having it as a child.
Yeah.
That is exactly what the drink tastes like. We'll have to see if we can find one for you. Oh my goodness.
These are so good.
That's amazing. You like it?
Uh-huh.
Did you eat your black jelly bean? She's got black around her face. They're very, very chewy, like.
Yeah.
It hasn't actually gone anywhere yet.
I'm only...
We're going to have a brief
bit sour.
interlude. More cheese. I'm done. In a minute, I'm going to need a sentimental woman. Trying to bring out the way too much. I'm going to need my 2 shots of makeup.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Get off. Right. What are you?
What are you?
Veritable petit éclair pocket. This is a pocket biscuit. Oh, you won't like this. This is a butter biscuit.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, this is massive.
Oh, what's that? farts.
What the farts?
I can't even chew.
Well, go put it in the bin then if you can't chew it.
These are
Look at these.
Hey, fly, go away.
They are some hefty bickets. Oh, chocolate is so melted. Look.
Wow. Can I have that? Oh my. It tastes like one of those biscuits. We'll have chocolate in the middle with a little prince on there. On the biscuit bit.
Yeah, they taste like a pickup bar.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done. Good call, sweets. They're nice. My foot's gone dead. That was mini box. We've got this is a little cake. We're not going to open this because this feels very squidgy. That's from the original box. We're not going to open these either. These are caramel chewy sticks. These are from the mini box. There's a lot of these in there. But caramel takes ages to chew. Harry, stop. We've got some little jelly, little sweets. I don't know what these are. Oh, a collection of some of France's favourite small wrapped sweets. So Harlequin, Mikoko, and Batna. So they're all. We're not going to eat these either. But and then we've got some Best of Bellin crackers, France's favourite cracker brand. This box gives you a selection of delicious Bellin crackers, crisp and delicately baked. Nice. Let's have a look. Aria is still there eating bacon crisps. If you're wondering what that rustling is. Oh, these look good.
Oh, yes, so.
Mika.
Those are really.
Oh, they're all different. Yum.
Good. Another one.
Those little crunchy crackers, they're yummy.
You got triangle. I'm a unicorn.
So that was the box. Let us know what you think. I think we liked mostly everything apart from the cheeseburger ones. Yeah. Really nice little box. Oh, there's bloody flies everywhere. We are going to go and do another unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.
That was that box.
I love you. Bye.